Hello my friends, welcome. Today we are in the bathroom. Little problem, the water is not pouring out of the tub. So for this there are two options. One option is the chemical, very bad for the environment and not necessarily more efficient. And the second one is one of my favorite tools. This is the plunger. This is quite cheap, it's quite efficient, and this one here has followed a number of my moves, so this is quite an old one. So I'm sure you're guessing which is the solution I will use, chemics or mechanics, and by far I will prefer this one. So let's go for the plunger and let's have a look on how it works. First of all, fill in the bathtub with water. So this here is large enough, this is like 2 centimeters. Now we can stop the water. You're probably not able to see it, but it's just not pouring out. The water is staying into the tub. So now we proceed with taking everything what is inside, which will be probably hairs, etc. So it's not the most sexy moment of my video career, but let's go. So you put the plunger right above the hole and now you start to pump. Of course, now the challenge is to make sure that everything is staying outside, it's not going back. Now we're going to use this little device coming from the kitchen for avoiding that all the dust is getting back into the tube. Now you know, when it's unblocked, it doesn't work anymore because there's no resistance. So the best now is to remove all the little rests with a dry paper. So here in the end, just for checking, you see when there's no more resistance, it means that it's totally unlocked. You could see that the plunger has been extremely efficient. To my knowledge, by the way, much more than chemical products, because the chemical products may open slightly the water pipe, but not removing everything. 3 advantages for this tool. First one, it is cheap. It is cheaper than 1 liter of chemicals. It is extremely environmental because there is no impact on the environment at all. No need for chemical or wastewater recycling. And it is also sustainable because I told you this plunger has more than 10 years, and I'm sure it will last 10 additional years. So in French we call this tool déboucheur de toilette, which means that there is a specificity for toilets. This is just a sign for letting you know that you can use this, of course, also for the toilets. But I won't make any video about this, so just take this one and think by analogy. Let's change our mind, and I invite you to have a look for once on my French YouTube channel. This is a video about the big toolbox, where you will have the opportunity to listen to the French vocabulary about essential tools. I hope that you like this video. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.